What do you get when you combine high-performance gaming components with a sleek white design? The answer is our white-themed PC that we are going to build today. And we are excited to take you through the process of building this budget-friendly PC that not only packs a punch in terms of performance, but also looks stunning. So, whether you are a seasoned PC builder or just starting out, join us as we bring this powerful and stylish build to life. Let's dive right in and see what we're going to use for the build. For our CPU, we have chosen the Ryzen 5 5600X, which is one of the best budget processors on the market, offering high clock speeds and impressive multi-threading performance. We have paired it with the colorful iGame 3070 Ti, which is a great graphics card that can handle even the most demanding games and applications at ease at 2K resolution. And the best part, we managed to sag it second-hand, making it a great budget-friendly option for anyone looking to build a powerful PC without breaking the bank. To power these components, we chose the Cooler Master MW Gold 650 V2 80 plus gold rated fully modular PSU. Our motherboard is the Asrock P550 Pro 4, which offers excellent performance and a wide range of features, including support for PCIe 4.0 and dual M.2 support. For memory, we got 16GB of XPG RAM running at 3200 MHz, which should be more than enough for most games and applications. For storage, we have chosen the 1TB Crucial P3 SSD, which provides fast read and write speeds and is a great choice for anyone looking to speed up their system's boot and load times. To keep our CPU cool, we are using the Cooler Master ML240 Illusion AIO, which is a high-performance liquid cooler that will keep our temperatures low even under heavy workloads. It's a great choice for anyone looking to overclock their CPUs or just keep it running cool and quiet. We decided to add an extra 120mm fan at the back for better airflow, and the main reason being the aesthetics. And for the finishing touch, we are using the Esports MODPRO PSU extension kit, which adds a sleek and professional look to the build. It's a great choice for anyone looking to customize the look of their build and add a bit of flair to their PCs. Finally, we are housing all these components in the Lian's Lancool 2 mesh cabinet, which provides excellent airflow and sleek white design that matches our build theme perfectly. I think this might be one of the best looking white builds out there that's also budget friendly. Without further ado, let's get started and build the PC. And just like that, our white themed PC build is complete. We hope you enjoyed following along and learned a thing or two about building your own PC. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.